Okay guys, it's a Audi A4 and today I'm gonna show you what's the problem with the driver door, if the mirror doesn't work or the center locking doesn't work. So I'm gonna turn on the switch. Switch is on now and the mirror doesn't work, center locking doesn't work, I mean like the window doesn't work, and the mirror, see, it's in the right hand, no moving. Even the remote control doesn't work. And then I find the problem. As you can see, the plug, the wiring comes to the driver door. Because of so none of them doesn't work, it means you have to find the problem. Probably that there is no power. And then as you can see, the wiring comes to the door, and in here you can see there is a couple of wiring disconnected here. Okay, and the customer was complaining, he was saying sometimes the window is working, sometimes doesn't work, sometimes the remote control is working and sometimes doesn't work, because when the wire was touching it works, if not touching it doesn't work. As you can see, this wire is completely disconnected, which is broken, and there is also a couple of wiring inside. As you can see, it's already damaged. So that's why if the window regulator doesn't work or mirror and central locking doesn't work, we have to check the wiring first. It's a common problem for the Audi, and that's all. So now we have to just connect the wiring and then it's gonna work. That's all. Thank you.